Period pain, a nightmare for all girls. But now, not anymore. Introducing MOI, a period pain device by UltraCare PRO. In this video, you will learn what is MOI, what comes along with the package and how to use it. MOI is India's first period pain relief tech. It is a combination of heat therapy and TENS. It is portable, safe, rechargeable and comes with 1-year warranty. When you unbox MOI, what you get is a device itself, which is a combination of TENS and heat. Along with that, you get a protection patch. You get user manual. You get 2 sticky gel patch, a warranty card along with recharge cable. In order to use MOI, first you need to take the sticky gel patch and attach it to the device itself. Then you need to remove the elastic cover and then place it on the abdomen. Long press the switch on button to start the device and short press the same button to change the program. When you short press the top left button, you can start the heating. You can increase the heating intensity to low, medium and high by pressing the same button. By pressing the plus button on the left side, you can increase the intensity, and minus button on the right side, you can decrease the intensity. By pressing power button, you can switch off device again. On left side, you can also see indicator where the yellow suggests low heat, orange suggests medium heat and red suggests high heat, as well as blue color suggests device is on and blue blink suggests massage mode is on. To use this device again, place it back on the protection patch and recharge it using the recharge point. Just by application of MOI for 15 minutes can give you good pain relief from your discomfort of period. So make sure to order one now and get relief from your period pain forever.